Hey Toronto LEGO fans, I'm BrickLover18 and I partnered up with my friends at The Brick Bar, the world's first ever LEGO inspired pop-up bar, to give you the ultimate brick experience. For 3 days only this July 5th, 6th, and 7th, The Brick Bar is coming in Toronto to give you the ultimate LEGO inspired bar experience. They've got more than 1 million bricks with huge sculptures, games, food, prizes, and of course drinks. Tickets are going very fast to this event, but I've got 4 to give away to 2 lucky winners. To enter this giveaway is really simple. All you have to do is click the link down in the description below and follow the steps to enter. The more tests you complete, the more entries you have. We'll be choosing 2 lucky winners who will get a ticket for themselves and a ticket for 1 guest to attend this event while it's here in Toronto. This event is fun for all, but please note, LEGO fans under the age of 18 will have to be accompanied by an adult and attend before 6 p.m. A full list of contest rules will be available in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you at The Brick Bar here in Toronto, July 5th, 6th, and 7th.